How to make realistic AI avatars like this. If you also have a faceless YouTube channel, it is very important for you to know about this free website. You can make these AI avatars for free, even with your mobile phone. In this video, you will learn everything. From avatar generation and quality enhancement to animation to watermark solution. I'll cover everything, just don't skip the video. First, open a browser on your mobile or PC and go to leonardo.ai. The good thing about Leonardo AI is that it will give you 150 tokens that you can use to generate your image. Now let's head over to the Image Creation tab. Now as you can see that on the left, there are various presets that you can use to generate an image with a specific style. I'll go with the cinematic keynote, and I'll select the aspect ratio to 16:9. Here in the text box, I will type my prompt. You can find the same prompt in the description of this video. Now just click on generate and you'll see 4 generated images. I like this one, so I'll just hit the download button. Now this image will be downloaded to your system. Next step is to enhance the quality of this image. For that, we'll head over to Create AI. Click on the Enhancer tab and sign in with your Google account. Now just double-click the big plus icon and add your AI-generated image. Once the image is imported, just click on AX and then the Enhance button. After a few minutes, you'll have the enhanced version of your image. You can play with this slider to see the difference. Then, you can just download the enhanced image by clicking on the download button. For animating your avatar, just go to AI and upload your enhanced image. Once the image is uploaded, you can generate an AI voiceover from DubDub. Or you can upload your own voiceover, or even record it. I'll upload my own voiceover. You can play it if you want. I'll just click on Generate Talking Avatar and hit Generate again. It will take a few minutes to generate the avatar. Once generated, you can preview the avatar generation. So you can generate AI avatars using this website for free, even with your phone. Now you can just hit download. As you can see that this website does not have any watermark in the generated video, which is pretty cool. But there is one major problem. Right now there is no watermark on this video, but just imagine what if DubDub AI decides to put a logo on these videos. What will you do then? Now let's take an example of this image. As you can see, there is a watermark on the left side. How can you remove it? It's actually really simple. Just open the AI avatar image and the video on any editing software. I'm going to use Premiere Pro. Now drag the image underneath the video layer. Just keep in mind that both the image and video are the exact same size. Now simply head over to the effects control panel, then go to opacity and click on the pen tool icon to make a mask. Then make a rectangular mask around the watermark. Now just click on inverted and the watermark is gone. As I said, it's very simple. You can try this in any editing software, even on your mobile devices. So if you have watched this far, consider subscribing to the channel. And if you want to know how to generate free AI voiceover just like mine, you can watch this video and I'll see you there.